record. Okay. Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give the instruction at the end of the class. Okay, how we have to present it in the paper and all. By the end, we can discuss. Now we can start with the topic. Okay, so in the last class we discussed about we started with the chapter trigonometry, isn't it? And we discussed about the angles. Angles, positive angles and negative angles. When we measure it anti-clockwise, the angle measure will be always, is it positive or negative? When we measure it anti-clockwise, it will be
Positive.
positive. And clockwise, whenever we measure it, the angle measures will be always negative. Okay. And what about the units? What are the different units we have discussed for angle? Angle can be measured in degrees and radians. Degrees and radians. Usually we write degrees, 60 degree and all. Hereafter, whenever we include these angle measures in calculation, we'll be writing in radians. And what is the relation between the angle in radians and degrees? What you have learned? What is the relation we have learned? What is the relation? What is the formula we have learned? Radian measure and degree measure. Radian measure and degree measure. What is the relation? Yes. 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. Is that no? Otherwise, we can say 2 pi radians is equal to 360 degrees. 360 full rotation. So in that case, 360 degrees is 2 pi radians. And what we learned? To convert radians to degree. What do you have to do? Radians to degree, what do you have to do? Multiply by?
180 by pi.
Yes, multiply by? Multiply by, what is it? 180 by pi. To convert radio to degree, 180 by pi. So to convert degree into radian, to convert degree into radian, what is the measure? Will you convert?
Multiply by pi by 180.
Yes, multiply by pi by 180. Okay, so to convert radian to degree, multiply by 180 by pi. Okay, now write the question. Convert the following degree measures into radian measures. Convert the following degree measures into radian measures. Convert the following degree measures into radian measures. Convert the following degree measures into radian measure. So first one, 135 degrees. 135 degrees. We want to convert that into radian measure. So how will you convert? 135 degree is equal to 135 degree is equal to 135 into pi by 180 into radians, isn't it? So 135 into pi by 180. Pi and all, don't substitute anything. Let it be pi itself. Okay, don't substitute for pi 22 by 7, 3.14 and all. Pi will be pi itself when you write in radian measure. This part you simplify. You can cancel by 5. Isn't it? When you cancel by 5, what you will get? This is 27 and this is is it 36? Yes. Again, we can cancel this by 3. 9, 12. And you can cancel this 3, 4. So we can write this as 3 pi by 4 radians. Okay, in some books you can see like this. Okay, 3 pi by 4, instead of writing radians, this is the notation written. Okay, like C, complement, that symbol will be used. That is also used for defining radians. Degree means we write like this, not, isn't it? Yep. It will be like this. Radians. Is it clear? Is it okay? Is it okay, Alantina? Jewel? Navaneet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now write the second one. Second one. "85 degrees. 85 degrees. What will be the answer? 85 into pi by 180. Can you simplify this? If you cancel by 5, 70. If you cancel by 5, by 3 are, am I correct, children? Okay.
Yes,
Check it. 17 pi by 36 radians. Next one, third one. Third one, minus 765 degrees. Minus 765 degrees. If you see minus, okay, don't get confused that, okay, you let it be there itself. Finally, you write minus. Is it clear? How you do with the positive angles? Method is same. With the final answer, you write minus. So you take positive 765. That one, how will you convert it into radians? Pi by 180. Now simplify this. You cancel by 5. I think this is 36. 1, 3, 1, 3, then
153, right?
1, 5. Ah, yes, 21 times. Okay, 26, isn't it? 153. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Then once again, we can cancel by 3. So when you cancel it by 3, 51 pi by 12. Am I correct, Mehrin? Again,
Cancel by 3.
again you can cancel it by 3. So what you will get?
Negative 17 pi by 4.
Okay, 17 pi by 4. So finally, therefore, minus 765 degrees is minus 17 pi by 4 radians. Minus 17 pi by 4 radians. Now the next one. Next one. 40 degrees, 20 minutes into radians. 40 degrees, 20 minutes into radians. All of you listen. Till now, we had only degrees. Now we are given with a smaller unit. Yes or no? What we know? 1 degree is 60 minutes. And 1 minute is 60 seconds. Okay, these are smaller units of degree measure. 1 degree is 60 minutes and 1 minute is 60 seconds. Now look at here. We are given with 40 degree, 20 minutes. So first of all, you make it into degrees. Everything we should convert this into degree. So we can write this as 40 degree plus 20 minutes. That is same as 40 degree plus 20 by 60 degrees. We convert that smaller unit into degree. Okay, so to convert minutes into degrees, you divide it by 60. So it will become 1 by 3. So 40 plus 1 by 3. So that is 121 by 3 degrees. This 121 by 3 degrees. So now convert this into radians. 121 by 3 into pi by 180. 121 by 3 into pi by 180. Therefore, you will get 121 pi by 540 radians. 121 pi by 540 radians. Okay. Next one. Minus 5 degree 30 minutes. Minus 5 degree 30 minutes. So we have negative. Let it be there itself. You convert 5 degree and 30 minutes. Don't bother about the minus and all. Let it be there. You take the remaining thing and convert it into radians. 5 degree 30 minutes, which will be 5 degree plus 30 by 60 degrees. So which will be same as 5 plus 1 by 2 degrees. That means same as 11 by 2 degree. Is it correct? Is it correct, children? So it is 11 by 2 into pi by 180, which is 11 pi by 360 radians. 11 pi by 360 radians. Okay. Up to this, is it okay? So to convert degrees into radians, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Jacob? Fahis is present today? Fahis? No. Shabarinath? No. Where is Shabari? I can't see. Hello? Okay. Right, the next one. Conversion of. Yes, Aditya?
And what about the minus?
Sorry. Yes. Finally, you include the minus. Okay, very good. Minus 11 pi by 360 radians. Write the minus with that. After calculation, write the minus with it. Okay. Okay. Now the next type. Converting radians to degrees. Converting radians to degrees. Write the next one. Convert the following. Radians into degrees. Under that first one. 2 pi by 7 radians. 2 pi by 7 radians. So to convert this into degrees, what you have to do?
Multiply by pi by 180 by pi.
180 by pi into 180 by pi. Pi will get cancelled. So we will get 360 by 7. 360 by 7 degrees. Now listen, children. Listen, all of you. All of you sit straight. We can't write like this in fraction. All of you sit straight. You can write afterwards. Listen, all of you. So it is 360 by 7. So what I am going to do? We should divide 360 by 7. When you divide this, 7 5s are 35. Balance is 10. Okay. 1 times 7, the balance is 3. Okay. So we can write this as 51 full degrees we get with 3 by 7. 3 by 7. We will not be allowed to write in fraction. Whenever we write the degrees, we will not be writing this in fraction. Okay. So we should convert it. Suppose this is not divisible means we should convert it into the smaller units. That means we should convert it in minutes and radians. So it is 51 degrees and here what is left out here? 3 by 7. So this 3 by 7, the next step we can convert this into minutes. 3 by 7 degrees. Okay, how will you convert this into minutes? You multiply by 60. So you'll get 51 degrees. 180 by 7. You divide this 180 by 7. Is it clear? 3 degrees. 3 by 7 is left out. 3 by 7 is in degrees. It is not divisible. So what we are going to do? We are going to convert that into the next smaller unit. 1 degree means 60 minutes. So 3 by 7 degrees means you can write this as 3 by 7 into 60. So 360, 3 6 are 18, 180 divided by 7. So how many times? 14. Am I correct, children? Again 35. Again the balance is there, 5. Again, the balance is 5. So we can write this as 51 degree, 25 minutes. Again, some fraction is there, 5 by 7. This 5 by 7, what do you have to do? Convert it into the next lower unit. What is the next lower unit? 1 minute is 60 seconds. Okay. So again, you convert this into seconds. So it will be same as 51 degree, 25 minutes. So again, into 60. When you multiply by 60, you'll get 300 by 7 seconds. 300 by 7 seconds. So 300 and you divide it by 7. 7 4s are 28. Balances 20. 7 2s are 14. Balances 60. Okay, so dot 8, 42.8, 7 4s are 56, balance 4. Okay, approximately we can write this as 51 degree, 25 minutes, 42.8 seconds. That is same as approximately 25 degree, 43 seconds. 42.8 we can write it as 43, round it off, and you can write this as 43 seconds. We'll not writing it as, we'll not be leaving the angle in fractions. Whenever we get in fractions, you convert it into smaller units and then do. Is it clear? Is it okay? And Mary? Renil?
Yes, ma'am.
Listen, children, I'll explain it once again. The question is 2 pi by 7 degrees. We want to 2 pi by 7 radians. We want to convert that into degrees. So in order to convert that into degrees, we multiply by 180 by pi. Pi will get cancelled, so we get 360 by 7. We'll not be writing the answer in fraction 360 by 7 degrees. We'll not say. We'll be giving some in full numbers you have to give. So what we do? We divide 360 by 7. When you divide 360 by 7, 51 degrees balances 3 by 7 degrees. That one, you convert it in the next lower unit. So 1 degree is 60 minutes. So 3 by 7 degrees means 3 by 7 into 60 minutes. So then you divide it. When you divide it, you'll get 25 minutes and left out is 5 by 7. So again, we convert that into next lower unit, that is seconds. We multiply by 60. So 25 minutes, 5 by 7 minutes means 300 by 7 seconds. Now, again you do the division. The last one, you can round it off. 42.8 means we are rounding it and we write that as 43 minutes. So 51 degree, 25 minutes, 43 seconds. John Philip, is it clear? John?
Yes, ma'am.
Samia? Pooja?
Yes, ma'am.
Jees? Alan Joffy?
Ma'am, will you explain it once again?
Which part, Navrin?
After the conversion of degrees, that 360 by 7 from there.
360 by 7. So we do the division. Okay, I'll explain it once again. I'll do it again and I'll explain. The question is 2 pi by 7 radians, isn't it? To convert this into degrees, what you will do? Into 180 by pi. So pi will get cancelled. We will write 360 by 7 degrees. Will not be leaving this in fraction itself. So what we do? We are dividing 360. You divide it by 7. 7 5s are 35. Balances 1, 10. 1 times 7 balances 3. So we'll write this as. Okay, after division, we used to write this in mixed form. Is or no? So 51 degrees, what is the balance? 3 by 7. 3, we are not able to divide it further. So 50, that one also in degrees. Is it okay up to this, Sanjana?
Yes, ma'am.
So next step, what we are doing? This degrees, we convert this into minutes. So to convert this into minutes, you multiply by 60. So we will get 51 degrees, 180 by 7 minutes. So you divide 180 by 7. Am I correct, children? No. 7 2s are 14. Is it correct? Then balance is 40. 7 5s are 35. Again, balance is 5. So we can write this as 51 degree. The full number, full unit is 25 minutes. Again, 5 by 7 is left there. This fraction. Okay, 5 by 7 is in fraction. So we convert this into the next lower units. So 51 degrees, 25 minutes. 55 into 60 by 7 seconds. So that is 51 degree, 25 minutes, 300 by 7. So now you divide 300 by 7. 7 4s are 28, balance is 20, 2, 14, 6, not possible. So 60 means you'll get 8. Okay, so it is same as 51 degree, 25 minutes, 42.8 seconds. 42.8, what we can do, we can round off and we can write this as 43 approximately. Is it okay, Naurin?
Yeah, ma'am.
Is it over? Shall we do the next one? Write the next one. Next one. 6 radians. Second one, 6 radians. 6 radians. 6 radians means, how will you convert this into degree? 180 by pi. Is it correct? Here no pi, isn't it? So you can write this as 6 into 180 by here. When in degrees, we will not write with pi. Here you have to substitute the value of pi. The value of pi is 22 by 7. 7 goes to the numerator. Is it correct? In degrees, when we convert radians into degrees. Okay, in degrees, we will not say 5 pi degrees. Okay, it is not allowed. Degrees means no pi should be there. Then what you have to do? You substitute the value of pi there. The value of pi is 22 by 7. So 22 by that 7 will go to the numerator. Now cancel this. This is 3. This is 11. So 180 into 21 by 11. Find out what is 180 into 21. What is 180 into 21? Okay, while you do this, what is 180 into 21? Aditya Dev.
3780.
3780 by 11, isn't it? Now what do you have to do? Anashwarya? You have to divide it, isn't it? 3780. When you divide it by 11, what is the quotient and what is the remainder? Anashwara.
340 degree.
340 degree. Check it. Is it 340 or some
Ma'am.
other?
Ma'am, I actually forgot to put a 0 here. I just
Ah,
wrote 34 degree.
okay. Check it. Check your answer. And Mary, you divide it by 11. 33, isn't it? 48, 44. So 40. So you'll get 343, isn't it? 343 degrees. And I think it is left out is 7 by 11. Am I correct? 7 by 11. So now what you can do, this one you can convert this into minutes. So 343 degree plus 420 by 11 minutes. Now divide 420 by 11. Divide 420 by 11. 420, when you divide by 11, 11 3s are 33. So what you will get? It is 343 degree. Is it 38 minutes? Again 2 by 11, isn't it? You get 2 by 11. So again you convert this into 60 seconds. So 343 degree, 38 minutes, 120 by 11 seconds. So we have to divide 120 by 11. So 1 times 11, 10. So now here it will not go 0, 10.100. 10.9, isn't it? Are you getting like this? So by round off, you can say this is 343 degree, 38 minutes and 11 seconds approximately. Shabrinath, is it okay? Is it clear? Okay, so the conversion of degree to radians and radians to degrees, is it clear? So next is, and that day we learned some formula. Is that no? What are the formulas you have learned? Length of the arc L is given by length of the arc L is equal to, what is the formula we learned? And that is the formula we learned last year. This year,
R theta.
that one we converted. So what is it? L is equal to R theta. Theta is the angle in. Theta is the angle in radians. Very good, Anne Mary. It is the angle in radians. Okay. Last year we wrote in degrees. That is why we write theta by 360 and all. We are converting it into radians. But here we know how to convert it. So whenever, okay, hereafter in physics also you'll be using this formula, length of the arc. So hereafter L will be always R theta. Length of the arc is L is equal to R theta, where theta is the angle in radians. Okay, now right, take your textbook. All of you take your textbook. Page number 54. Take page number 54. All of you take your textbook. Exercise 3.1, page number 54. Page number 54. First question and second question are homework. 1 and 2 are homework. 1 and 2 are homework. Now we are going to do the third one. 1 and 2, in first question you have 3 or 4 subdivision. Second question also you have 2 or 3 subdivisions. That is homework. Now let us do the third one. Let us do the third one. Okay, so look at the third one. A wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. A wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. How many radians does it turn in 1 second? Look at here. In 1 minute, it makes 360 revolutions. What we have to find? How many radians does it turn in 1 second? How many radians does it turn in 1 second? So here, 1 minute. Okay, here it is the time. So in 1 minute, it makes 360 revolutions. So you find out the revolutions made in 1 second. So in 1 second, how many revolutions? 1 minute means 60 seconds, isn't it? 1 minute means here it is 60 seconds. So in 1 second, it makes 360 by 60, isn't it? That is same as 6 revolution. So in 1 second, it makes 6 revolutions. In 1 revolution, what is the angle made? In 1 revolution, what is the angle made? In 1 revolution, angle made is 360 degrees, isn't it? 1 revolution, 1 full complete revolution means 1 rotation is over. So it is 360 degrees. So in 6 revolution, angle made is equal to 360 degrees into 6. So that is 6 into 360 degrees. We want to convert that into radians. Okay, I am not multiplying and all. So to convert degrees into radians, what you have to do? Multiply by pi by 180. So what is the answer? Is it 12 pi radians? It will be 12 pi radians. 12 pi radians. Okay, this is an important question, children. Okay, here you get full number. Sometimes instead of full number, you'll be getting in fractions. Okay, and one more period we have. That time we'll be discussing few more questions. Before that, what you can do, just go through the questions 4, 5, 6, 7 before the next period and come. Not okay, if possible, go through it. Okay, direct questions only. Those are all simple 1 mark questions and all. Okay, we use the formula L is equal to R theta. Length of the arc is given by L is equal to R theta. That formula only we will use. Okay, with this we wind up. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank